and we don't want to slice through our foam panels. And that's it. Comes right into this compressed bag. All right, you guys, so right here it gives you the instructions. It says open package, number 1. Number 2, soak foam in water, wring dry. So it says wring dry and then put in dryer medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, and then it says the tape M3, so you know, the M3 tape or whatever, to the back, or you can use spray adhesive on it. So let's see what it looks like out the bag. You want to be careful while doing this because you don't want to damage your foam. One cut, rip off, that's it. Out the bag right here. These supposed to get to 2 inches. Let's get into doing what the instruction says, and let's see if this thing expands to 2 inches.
Walk like that. Squeeze it. Make sure that water is penetrating all the hole. I already see it expanding right now. You see it better? I'm soaking it for a while. Now I'm looking like soak all these instructions, make these things ready for water. So however you want to do it.
See, it already came out thick. See the difference between that and then the difference between this. Skinny after you run water in it. So this is pretty nice. All right, let me run a little bit more water. So there you guys have it. We ran it through water. Looks pretty nice. Now, they said put it in the dryer for 20 to 30 minutes on low dry. So you don't want to put this on a high dry. I don't know why, but that's what they said. When I wash the rest of them, I will let you know if all of them came out basically the same or if there's any defects. So stay tuned. These haven't been dried yet. They are still damp. Like I said, I can't put it in the dryer yet, but I might leave them here. I'm pretty sure my wife will probably let me leave them here anyway. So I'll leave them here until I have enough time to dry them. But I do have a quabble with one. One of them, whatever I do, is not trying to get into shape. Right now, I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna hit it again with some water, and let's see what happens. It's not too much of a big deal for me. You can't really notice if it's on the wall and it's like that side by side with each other. But yeah, that's the deal with that. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so that one foam that didn't get into shape, it did get into shape after I did another rinse and a dry. So basically rinse, wash, repeat if it don't form into shape. So it worked for me, might not work for you, but these are the ones I got here. And then I got some up here. And these are my custom ones that I made. I'm gonna make some more later. Here is the other method of doing this. The other method was leave it out for 24 to 48 hours. It's been almost around that time and no results. So this one wasn't the recommended way to do it. This one is the recommended way when you run it and soak it in water, and you'll get your 2 inches that you need. So this did expand a little bit after the 1 day of having it. I'm pretty sure it'll expand a little bit more, but to get the best results, do it the recommended way, like I showed y'all. And that's it with that.